Okay, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. This is part 2 to my refrigerator clean with me. If you haven't seen part 1, I suggest you go and check that out too as well. I'll leave it in the links down below or maybe at the end of this video. And it's just starting where we left off. And I'm just organizing my dining table, everything that I actually took out from the refrigerator. I actually put it on my dining table, and I sort things and organize and declutter everything. So that's how I clean. I know it's almost the same thing for everything, for everyone. And I had to open the window because it was kind of getting too hot. I got a little bit hot there. So I actually had a lot of dishes piling up, and then I decided to just film this. So I'm just washing dishes away. And this video is not sponsored, but I love using Dawn, as you can see. But I'm gonna actually explore a lot of dishwashing soap, especially Grove Collaborative. I do have a code for you guys to go and check Grove Collaborative out. I love all their products. They're natural and they're just chemical free, and they smell so good. so these are the containers that I will actually be putting them in. There's actually 2 of them. I actually put water bottles in them. I actually didn't do this when I was recording, but I did it off camera. So I have these 2. And then all these stuff from TJ Maxx, I actually had a haul of that. These are to actually put my eggs in there. I actually don't have one inside my refrigerator, so that's why I got that. And this is just put juice in there. I wasn't sure if I needed or wanted to keep that, but because it's so small. And then I got the big one again from TJ Maxx, and I was just showing you guys at the top part how it opens. And then I do have the haul for the TJ Maxx that actually got these items. And I was just taking a break because my baby was crying, and I just wanted to film this part because look at him, he's so precious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just showing you how gross it is. If you guys made it this far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye bye. Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right